So I got one Mockins roof carrier with cargo bag net, and the other one is just hitch mount cargo carrier with cargo bag. So I'm gonna install both on my Toyota Highlander 2022, and then I got Kurt hitch tow. So I'll install this one too. Hopefully I'll get it done properly. Yeah, so the first thing you do is check the product to make sure it's not damaged and then it's not missing any pieces, parts. And if everything is good, then proceed to installation. So it's got very good instruction how to install it. So we're gonna just follow the instructions and let's see. So the Mockins, where it says Mockins, that's the front side, I guess. And the other part doesn't have anything. So all this right here, I'll check it out. So it just goes like this, together, just push it. Same thing with this one. So everything is set, so I'm gonna put the plates, screw the bolts, tighten it up. It's not that heavy. Let's just double check if we have everything that's listed here. So 4 plates, we got 4 plates, fixators, 4 of them, we got 4. Plastic part 4, and M8 175, we got 4, and then 8 of this M6 35. Yep. So we need all 4 plates and all of the bolts to tighten up the joints. They're all over here, so we have to tighten up all the joints connections. So we're good to go. So we just gotta tighten it now. I'm just gonna put everything loose and lift it up, and then I'm going to tighten it up. I got 3 more to go. Second one is good to go. Yeah, it's easier with the ratchet. That's a 10mm, 10mm one. Yep. Let's go. Now I do the same thing with the other side. So everything is tightened up. It's ready to be installed. That's the last part. And then we're gonna test how many luggages we can fit over here. So here's my Highlander. Ready, rails are ready. Cargo carrier is ready.
So we're done with number 3. I connected all the carrier plates. And now we're going to do number 4, the final step. Which goes on to the roof.
Hopefully I can put it without damage. Because I'm doing it myself. And I'll have to put this on top of my car. Alright, so this is how it looks like so far. I haven't tightened that up yet. It's actually not good looking over here. So I'll figure this out. But over here it's so good, like right on rail. And this spot is not symmetrical. So this is on this side and the other one is behind the cover. So this is the final look. I don't like the backside because it doesn't fit, but it's firm and sturdy, so it doesn't move. So I checked it. I'm gonna test it tonight, tomorrow for a week until we leave. For each side, the load is 154, so it's about 300 pounds, I believe. 300, if not 600. If it's like 150, then 600. If it's just like one side 150, then 300. If it's only this side, and the load on this 300, so should be good. It's not loose, it's not moving, so I'll test it tonight to see if it makes noise. So I installed it yesterday. So far is good. I tested on highway, also just local streets. So far it doesn't make any noise. It's a Mockins, I believe it was 65 inch cargo basket. So it didn't make any noise. So far it's good without cargo. So I'm gonna test it tomorrow. The little problem here is the backside didn't attach properly because it was supposed to go onto the crossbar, but it's actually on the crossbar, but not fully. So it's a little bit sideways. So I installed this roof cargo basket, and the OEM style, it's actually replica roof crossbars. A little bit problematic because of the covers. It didn't go all the way. You see the gaps, and it did click, but the cargo basket didn't fit properly, and then it got moved a little bit, and then hopefully it's gonna be okay. If not, then I'll have to duct tape it. And it looks good, but there are some gaps, so pretty much on all four. So if you're going to put cargo basket, just make sure it fits properly. I have a problem here. It didn't fit right in between the two bars. So crossbar is actually sitting on the bottom of this bar. Hopefully it would be okay. So I just put it like this because of the air when you drive. The load is going to be on the backside mostly, but the airflow kind of affects the sturdiness, the firmness of the cargo basket and then crossbar. Yeah, so hopefully it'll stay firm and I won't have a problem. I'll test it to DC. It's about 250 miles, so back and forth it would be about 500 miles. So let's see how it's gonna hold up.